Okay, so this next page here is distribute and combine with polynomials. This is going to be the majority of what your assignment looks like. But don't get overwhelmed. It's not bad. I promise you. We're going to break it down and it's going to be very easy. I'm going to zoom in though, so that way we are focused on just one problem at a time. So we have here first 3x times x plus 4 minus 2x times x minus 2 plus 4. So the 3x for this first part is what is being given into the parentheses. We know that because it's right in front of the parentheses. It will never, ever, never, never, never be a number behind the parentheses. It's always in front. So we're going to break that one down. We are saying it's 3x times x, and then also 3x times 4. Now I'm going to keep going for the rest of this problem. 2x times x, I'm sorry, negative 2x times x is being distributed. So negative 2x times x. And then negative 2 is also, negative 2x is also distributed to negative 2. So times negative 2. And then nothing with this plus 4, so it just gets added to the end. Then we go and multiply each of these parentheses. As I multiply them, I'm going to just highlight them so I know I've completed it, because it can get to become a lot. So 3x times x. So remember, if you want, you can put a 1 in front, but remember, when it's just the variable, there is that imaginary, or I keep saying imaginary, it's invisible, the invisible 1 in front. So 3 times 1 leaves me with 3. X times x is x squared. So this first one is done. I'll highlight it. Let's say green. Green means good. Okay. Next we have, let me get out of the exponent part. We have a 3x times 4. So we do the whole number. 3 times 4 is 12, and it's positive. So we say plus 12. And then x, and there's nothing else, no x included, so just one x there. So this one, I'm going to highlight green. It is good. We've done it. So then we have negative 2x times x. So again, if you want to put that 1 in front, that's fine. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And then here we have an x times an x. So remember, x times x is x squared. So let's highlight this one because it is also complete. It's good. And we are on the last one, the last parentheses. Negative 2x times negative 2. Why won't it get out of the exponent for me? Okay, so negative 2 times negative 2. So a negative times negative makes it positive 4. And there is only one x, so there's one x. This one is good. It is done. And then we have plus 4, so nothing to distribute or multiply with that. It gets added. Now here's where your second step is. We have to go through and combine our like terms. So again, in order to be a like term, it's the same variable with the same exponent. So for instance, I have 3x squared. So let's see if we have any other x squared. Here's x, but not x squared. Oh, here is a negative 2x squared. So I'm going to highlight both of those. Let's do this blue. So I know that the 2 in blue are like terms. Let's also check this positive 12x. We do have a like term with it, 4x. They have the same variable. So we're going to highlight that one, yellow and yellow. We're almost done. Okay, so then we just combine. 3x squared minus 2x squared is 1x squared, or just x squared. And then 12x plus 4x is plus 16x. Nothing to combine with the plus 4, so we say plus 4.